Right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and once again on this glorious summer afternoon, good to see you. And exciting news, another bright day and another new construction site video. This one, it's for a company called Reedy Construction, and this construction is taking place just outside Derby. It's in a place called Burton. It's a new venture for me, it's a new site. I believe that the ground has already been broken and the steel skeleton of the unit is going up. It's just going to be one unit, I believe. And my lovely chum Darren, who was a big sort of player in the Glencar construction site in Royston, has now moved ship and works for Reedy. So thank you very much indeed to Darren for the contacts with Reedy, and thank you to Reedy for getting in touch with me and letting me produce this video. So have a look at this new construction site, see what you think, and as always, bye for now.